This is what we're dealing with. Home delivery fucking ice cream. Don't go outside and get some fruit because the ice cream truck's coming for you. Look at that. 50% calories coming from fat. And that's the world we're living in, you know. It's easier to get ice cream delivered to your front door than it is to find some ripe fruit. You know, I've got $500 in my wallet. I go to Whole Foods, I still struggle to find enough fucking fruit calories. That's the world we're living in, man. So don't get too frustrated if you're finding it challenging to find enough fruit calories, because it can be tough, man. Even I know what to look for in the fruits, you know. So definitely it's a challenge when you got ice cream getting delivered to your door, but where's the fruit truck driving around with nice, ripe, caloric, sufficient fruit? There isn't anywhere. Maybe in Thailand. I take that back. In Thailand, that does happen. So interesting. That's the society we live in. Situational inconvenience. Thanks for watching.